Guys, in front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini 2, and let me show you how to change SIM card pin on this device. So at first let's enroll the list of all apps and go to settings, then find and select security, and here you will notice SIM card lock. So just click on it and click on change SIM pin to update your pin code. At first provide the current one, tap on OK, and then enter a new one. Tap on OK and then retype this new one just to confirm. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see, this is how you can change SIM card pin. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.